Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomomi Galliano, Certified Zentangle Teacher. Today is day 21 of Inktober 2023. Today's tangle is Enoc by Danielle DePalma-Mabanta, CCT. And this is a really adorable organic tangle. It's pretty simple. So let's get going. I am using my black tile with white ink. And this is going to start with kind of like a crescent moon-like shape. I think I'm gonna do one around right here. So I'm gonna start here with this kind of crescent moon-like shape. So shape like this, it's quite simple, but I don't know if you just saw, I did this one with that the line that goes outside first and draw line that goes inside. But if you do the one that goes inside and do the outside, you may get different shape. You can see how mine looks different too. So you may want to play with it, which one works better. You may feel one easier than the other. And you're gonna add a petal like shape like this, going all the way around. Don't think I don't think it matters how many you're gonna have. It's probably easier if you turn your tile. I'm sorry, I was going a little to the left of my screen. And as you get closer to the end, that's when you really want to decide whether you can do one more or two more. So I ended up having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you are going to aura just the top part, not all the way around the edge of the flower. Like if you are using colors, this section invites nice little space to add an accent color. And you're gonna add another layer of petal. This is when this tangle gets interesting. Instead of going around like this, you kind of do like, I don't know, how should I say? It's like this petal is going behind the previous one, so you're not drawing the entire shape. This one is tucked behind, so you're only drawing half or maybe 2/3 of the petal shape, and then you go around. So this creates kind of like chrysanthemum or dahlia, like really densely layered petals. And then your aura again. So this one is at the beginning. So this one is like just like the one we did this layer. But then this one's gonna be like this. So you're really auraing. So this aura is gonna accentuate the sense that this petal is going behind the previous one. So I think it's important to aura this way. So just one at a time, going around. I came all the way around. And I think you can, if you want, you can add one more layer too. So I'm gonna switch to my white charcoal What should I think I'm gonna give a little highlight here at the base of the petals to see how this is gonna look. Kind of creates this translucent feel to it. I think this tangle will be really fun with color. But I'm sticking to my black, white, and gray for this Inktober, so I'm not gonna use any color at this point. So today is day 21, so we are 2/3 of the way through Inktober, or month of October. Then it will be November, and I remember living in the States. It's just a busy time. End of the October, you got Halloween and then Thanksgiving, and by the time Halloween starts, that you see Christmas decoration in the store, and it's kind of very similar in Japan too. I mean, the Halloween is not quite as big of a deal as in the States, but I think we decided to incorporate that into our life here too. Not everybody, but especially the kids and the young people. So I live in a city called Shibuya, which gets a little crazy during the Halloween time. There's a bit of a craziness going on just that evening. So I haven't gone to downtown Shibuya during the Halloween, but I see it on the news. So it's probably one of the few places in Japan that gets really interesting in Halloween time. So if you are into that kind of thing, I'm just gonna separate the layers, and I'm kind of bringing out these petal shapes. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, and if you happen to be in Japan during the Halloween season, if you're brave enough, you can go to Shibuya and to see the craziness. Okay, so I think I really wanna put a little bit of shadow here to create this little bit of a separation. It's just an extra thing you do. You don't have to. Just cleaning out my messy lines, and just add a little bit of shading here and there to accentuate the layered look. It's probably a little hard to see on the camera, but if you're walking on a black tile, you can probably see the dramatic difference when you do this. And sometimes your line gets lost, and you can go back in with your white and sculpt some of the white lines. So you may feel sometimes your white gel pen is not letting the ink on the paper. It feels clogged. If that happens, you can do a quick scribble on the back of the paper. Just clean the tip. What I do is I ended up just using my finger. That seems to work quite well. And I think just like the other one that I've been doing, I'm gonna create a little border. or you can do one more here to take up the entire tile or paper. I think I'm actually gonna do like maybe a petal falling off. Just to create a little bit of movement to this piece. Just because I had a little bit of space here, I feel like I need something more. I think I'm gonna do one more going off the paper. And also with gel ink, just be very careful that it's completely dry before you do next step, and also be mindful of where you place your hands or fingers that's holding your tile, and also your drawing hand too. But thank you for watching, and if you like my video, you can please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow for day 22.